Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today I'm super excited to be sharing with you guys my top springtime fragrances, or like my fragrances that I'm going to be wearing in the springtime. I saw Jasmine Buller do this video and I just thought it would be really fun to share with you guys the new scents I'm going to be rolling into spring. Now these fragrances are all like so different from wintertime fragrances because my wintertime fragrances were very warm, and I'm super excited for the springtime because I love like fresh and clean scents. So yeah, why don't we just get started. I have a few different ones from Bath & Body Works and Victoria's Secret as well, so yeah. Also, I do just want to let you guys know I dyed my hair yesterday and didn't have gloves, so if my hands are stained and my face is a little stained, that's why. I try to scrub it off super hard, but it still looks stained, so don't mind that. But why don't we just go ahead and get on with the fragrances. So the first one that I have is from Bath & Body Works, and this is none other than Fiji Sunshine Guava-tini. Look at how cute that packaging is. It just looks like spring and summertime, but this scent was part of their tropical collection. I do believe that they brought it out in the past collections as well, so it's not like an entirely new fragrance, but this scent is just absolutely just like so stunning. It smells so fruity but fresh at the same time. I'm not a super like fruity lover. Like I don't really go for like super fruity scents all the time, but this one I am just extremely attracted to for some reason. And it lasts a really long time on my skin and my body chemistry and also on my clothes. So I love that about it. I think this just seriously resembles like spring and summer because it's so fruity, and I have been wearing this so much. Like I recently got this and you guys can see I've used like a good amount of it so far. So yeah, this is the first one I'd highly recommend if you guys like fruity scents. I'm sure you guys have all like smelled this before, so yeah. Another scent from Bath & Body Works. I'm just gonna do all Bath & Body Works first. This is Coconut Cream Pie, you guys. I have recently just been spraying the heck out of myself with this scent, and I have no idea why, because you guys know like I don't like coconut scents at all, but this one has toasted coconut in it. But I think I love this scent because it has that caramel note. It's super strong of like caramel, and I love the smell of caramel. I think it smells so delicious and like warm, and I think this makes a great springtime fragrance because I feel like because of the coconut in here, it just brings out spring, you know? Like when I think of fall and winter sweet fragrances, I think of like vanilla or like pumpkin, but this just puts me in the springtime mood. It reminds me of like Easter, and I'm just so excited to be wearing this more. It smells so good, and you guys, the lasting power on this fragrance is nuts, especially on your clothes. I highly recommend this if you guys love gourmand scents, so yeah. And another fragrance from the same collection as the Coconut Cream Pie is Raspberry Jam Donut. Like I had to, you guys, I had to include this because it just smells so good. Like I want to eat this fragrance. The notes in here are wild raspberry jam, powdered sugar, and warm fluffy donut. Doesn't that sound like the most amazing thing ever? This smells exactly like what it says, a raspberry jam donut, and I really smell the like powdered sugar in here. You know, like powdered sugar sounds or smells really different than just like regular sugar. I love this scent, and this one as well lasts super long. I've heard multiple people say that this lasts really long on them, so you don't need a lot of this. A little goes a really long way, and I think the jam just brings out springtime, you know, because it has a little bit of that raspberry in there, so yeah. And the next fragrance I have is none other than Gingham. This is always like part of Bath & Body Works. It's like their signature collection, but this just like resembles spring, like the picnic table. I think springtime is all about brunch and picnics and going, you know, outside, and Gingham is the perfect scent for that. Now this smells just like clean laundry linen, but it has like a citrus note in here, which I think makes it so much better. If you want to smell just like fresh and clean and like airy, I highly recommend this scent. You can get it all year round, and the lasting power again is really good on this one. I would say on my clothes it lasts really, really long. I'm not so sure about like how it does on my skin, because like I feel like it does kind of like fade on my skin, but on my clothes it lasts so long. I just love this scent. I use this scent year round, but especially for the springtime, I know I'm gonna get like my use out of it. And then the last Bath & Body Works scent that I have to show you guys is a newer one that I picked up, and this is Saltwater Breeze. The fragrance notes in here are fresh linen, violet leaves, water blossom, and white musk. Now, you guys, I don't know why more people don't talk about this. I feel like this is such an underrated fragrance. If you love going to the beach, you guys love like going to the pool, or you just want to smell like fresh and clean, this is an amazing scent. Something about this fragrance is so different to me because it genuinely smells airy and like water. It's crazy, and I know it's called Saltwater Breeze, but there's just like when you instantly smell it, your nose feels like so refreshed. I don't know what it is about it. I don't know if it's the white musk or what it is, but it genuinely smells like you're at the beach in the best way. It doesn't have like that salty scent though. It's just very, very fresh and like airy, like I keep saying. But this scent is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to wear this more, because like I felt like in the springtime I wasn't wearing it, or in like the winter time I wasn't wearing it like super often, but I'm really excited to wear this. Moving on to Victoria's Secret. You guys know I had to include Victoria's Secret because I think right now I'm honestly like living for Victoria's Secret scents compared to Bath & Body Works scents. I don't know, I just wasn't super obsessed with their new tropical collection. I hope they drop a new collection soon because I've been just like waiting. But yeah, let's just move on to Victoria's Secret. The first one I have is a new purchase, and this is Pomegranate and Lotus from the Balance line. I love the natural collection, you guys, or the natural beauty collection. I don't know why so many people like aren't super obsessed with it, which makes me really sad, but I love it. I think this like line is just super simplistic, but I enjoy it. And this one is Pomegranate and Lotus. It doesn't really have any scent notes on the back, but it just smells extremely fruity. It smells so good. I can see myself wearing this on Easter. It smells very fruity, and I think there's like some sort of citrus note in here. I would say the lasting power on this one isn't like super crazy long, but it's not like a really like light scent either. Like it's right in between, and I think it's like the perfect middle for those of you guys who do get headaches easily from wearing too much scents. Now I also have the, what is it, body wash in this one, and the body scrub. No, just the body wash. But I love this. This is a new pickup for me, and I know I'm going to be wearing this all springtime long, rotating around all these. So yeah, another scent that's from the same collection. I live for this scent. Now I told you guys in the beginning that I wasn't going to get this scent because I felt like I already had something similar, but this is Cucumber and Green Tea from the Refresh collection, and this scent actually lasts super long on me. I was really surprised because when I was watching other people's review on this, they said that the scent wasn't, or this whole collection just wasn't lasting super long, which I can see with like the coconut milk one and the lavender one, but this one, you guys, lasts a really long time on my skin and on my clothes. I think something about fresh fragrances just do really well on my body chemistry compared to like fruity fragrances. But I'm so excited. Like, this smells exactly like what it says. It smells like cucumber and it smells like green tea. So if you don't love like a cucumber scent, because I know some people don't like cucumber scents, then I wouldn't recommend this. But if you love like that refreshing feeling in the morning, this is perfect for you. This is going to wake you up in the morning when you're exhausted and you need like a cup of coffee. This is instantly going to do that for you. Something about this just like, I don't know, like brings me up and wakes me up. So yeah, but this one, like I said, does last a long time on my skin and on my clothes. I would say on my clothes it lasts like 5 or 6 hours, which I think is pretty good for a body mist, because usually Victoria's Secret body mists don't last super long. But yeah, this one does really well. And then another scent that I have from Victoria's Secret is Aqua Kiss. Now, if you guys were to ask me what is your favorite scent from Victoria's Secret of all time, it would be Aqua Kiss. Like, she smells so rich. She smells like a real perfume. If you guys were to like close your eyes and smell this scent, you would genuinely think this is an actual like high-end perfume, which I think is amazing. It is absolutely stunning. It lasts a good amount of time on your skin and clothes as well, and it just smells like Dolce & Gabbana. It smells like an actual perfume. I don't know how to explain it. It smells like Versace. I am obsessed with it. What are the notes? It says cool waters, bright daisies, and that's about it. It doesn't smell super watery to me, but it smells definitely like aquatic. I don't know if that makes sense. Like, it doesn't smell like how Saltwater Breeze smells. It smells more of like a fresh aquatic scent, whereas like Saltwater Breeze smells more like the beach. But you guys, I wasn't wearing this scent as much because I think I was just trying to like savor it. I don't know why, because this scent isn't limited edition and I can just always go out and buy a new one. But I have recently been wearing this so often and I've been getting so many compliments, you guys. Like, I've been wearing this one with Gingham sometimes, like paired together. Amazing combo. Let me know if you guys want to see a fragrance combinations video, because I have been like layering my scents recently, which I have never done, and I've been really enjoying it. But anyways, the scent is amazing. It's gonna be perfect for like a nice springtime going out scent. So many people complimented me. I literally wore this to the market the other day and someone next to me was like, you smell absolutely amazing. What are you wearing? And I had to tell her, like, it's Aqua Kiss. And then lastly, I have a scent from Victoria's Secret Pink, and this is Fresh and Clean. This is Fresh and Clean, and the fragrance notes are sweet apple, fresh tangerine, and sea spray. Don't know what that is, but this is like the little mini version of this. I didn't get the big version because honestly I have so many fragrances right now. I'm trying to like use them up, so I just thought like a mini one would be perfect for my purse, because I love to like have these in my purse. Look at how cute and small it is. Like, I'm obsessed with this. But this smells like that, exactly what it says. Just like fresh and clean, but not like a linen way. It's more of like a citrusy way. And I would say the lasting power on like pink sides of fragrances aren't like the best. They maybe do like 3 hours. So I always just respray myself, which isn't a big deal for me because again, I keep these in my bag. But I really like this scent. As you guys can see, my theme for spring is very fresh, clean, or like teeny bit of fruity scents. I personally love fresh fragrances. That is my preference, but if you guys are more into fruity or gourmand, I try to implement some different ones in there because I know everyone has different moods. But yeah, that is the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!